Don't blink. Let me take you into the magic of science. Draw a straight line in front of a chicken. It lies down, hypnotized. Completely motionless. Poke a tiny hole in an unopened beer cap. Tap the bottle. The beer shoots out instantly. That's the cavitation effect. Cut a gum wrapper so it's narrow in the middle. Touch the ends to a batteries. Positive and negative poles. Boom. You just made a wilderness fire starter. Push a needle through a candle. Balance it between two glasses. Light both ends and watch the candle. Play happily on a seesaw. Attach magnets to a battery's negative pole. Put a copper coil on top. This is the rotating power behind electric motors. A normal straw can't pierce a potato. But trap the air with your thumb and strike fast. It goes right through. That's the incredible power of compressed air. Toss one end of a bead chain out. It leaps up, defying gravity before falling. This is the famous chain fountain experiment. A floating card holds no weight. But fill a glass with water, place the card, and the surface tension creates massive holding power. Interleave the pages of two books like shuffling cards. They lock together so tightly they can hold a heavy bucket of water. That is the force of friction. Add milk to leftover Coke. Wait 30 minutes. The Coke turns completely clear, leaving a weird residue. Still want to drink milk and Coke together? Pour hot water into a bottle, seal it tight, and flip it upside down. Place an ice cube on the bottom, and the water starts boiling again. That's the magic of vapor pressure. Rub your fingers on peeled garlic. You can now easily pinch and lift an egg yolk. That's the magic of sticky compounds. Drop burning paper into a bottle. Put a peeled egg on top. The bottle swallows the egg. Pour hot water on the glass, and it spits it back out. That's atmospheric pressure. Put a balloon over a bottle. Place it in hot water, and the balloon stands up. Move it to cold water, and it shrinks. That's thermal expansion and contraction. Insert a zinc plate and a copper plate into an orange. Connect the wires. You can now power a digital watch. That's a chemical battery. Sand the paint off an aluminum can. Put it in a glass and add drain cleaner. Wait 2 hours. You now have a completely transparent can. Magic, right? Roll a piece of paper into a tube. Place it at an angle over a glass. Light the top and watch the smoke flow downward. Like a waterfall. Wrap a thin iron wire around two keys. Connect the ends to a battery.
You just made a DIY hot wire cutter.
That's the law of resistance. A ping pong ball usually floats. But put it in a funnel and pour water in from the top. It won't float up. That's all thanks to pressure difference.